This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending December 20th, 2025. The market finished mixed this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.38% on Friday, but was down minus 0.67% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.88% on Friday and was up 0.1% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.31% on Friday and was up 0.48% for the week. The market ending mix for the week was okay, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. Oh, and Bitcoin finished down minus 2.4% this week, which wasn't good, but that doesn't matter to me either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was HUT 8 Corporation, ticker symbol HUT in the first column. It was up 14.33% on Friday and increased 6.8% for the week. HUT 8 Corp is a vertically integrated operator of energy infrastructure and Bitcoin mines in North America. The company operates through four segments: power, digital infrastructure, computing, and other power generation and use services. It offers managed services for energy infrastructure development, such as site design, procurement, and construction management, software automation, process design, personnel hiring, and team training, as well as utility contracts, hosting operations, and customer management, which includes energy portfolio optimization and strategic initiatives, and finance, accounting, safety services, and Bitcoin mining. HUT 8 provides co-location and data center cloud services, which include providing mining equipment, monitors, troubleshooting, repairs, and it maintains related equipment for clients. The company has recently shifted to include AI data centers and energy infrastructure, which has drawn interest to the stock. What do you think? Are you interested in HUT 8 too? This week, I generated cash flow from selling 12 different option contracts that range from $60.34 to $185.34. I received a total of $1,152.08 for the 12 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see everything that I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 was $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I was sure that I would continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. Actually, I already reached my cash flow goal. I surpassed $30,000 in August, more than 4 months ahead of schedule. I did not set a new goal. I just keep making cash flow every week. Check back each week to see how much. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it, or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased minus 0.58%. What's the catch? Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. And once you have a firm understanding of how to use options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They simply lack the knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? If your answer is zero, or you spent more money than you made, then you need help. And I would like to help you and others, but I can't. Why not? Because you refuse to listen, you refuse to read, and you refuse to learn about anything that wasn't taught to you in school. Do you know what they don't teach you in school? Money. You need to learn money and the financial system, and then use the system to your advantage. That means extract money from the financial system. It does not mean working a lot, but if that's what you want to do, go for it. And it does not mean hustling. If that's what you want to do, go for it. It means using money to make money from the financial system. That is what my Bitcoin cash flow system does. Check back next week to see how much money my money makes. Later.